Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to reset your Apple ID password if you forgot it so you can regain access to your iPad. If you're already signed in to your Apple ID on another Apple device, this is the easiest way to reset your password. If you're using a Mac, start by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select System Settings or System Preferences depending on your Mac OS version. Click on your profile, then select Apple ID. From there, go to Password and Security and choose the option to change your password. Follow the on-screen steps to create a new one. If you're using an iPhone or another iPad that's already signed into your Apple ID, open Settings and tap on your name at the top. Next, select Password and Security, then tap Change Password. Enter your device passcode when prompted, then type in a new password and confirm it. If you don't have access to any Apple device that's already signed in, Apple recommends borrowing an iPhone or iPad from a trusted friend or family member. On the borrowed device, open the Settings app and tap Sign In. Choose the option that says Forgot Apple ID or Password, then follow the instructions to reset your password using your Apple ID information. Once your Apple ID password is reset, return to your iPad and sign in with the new password. If your iPad was locked because of the old password, you may now be able to continue setting it up or restore it from a backup. And that's how you reset your Apple ID password if you forgot it so you can get back into your iPad. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.